from Strings and Threads. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Mini Fan Scallop Border. I'm going to do it on a small little swatch that I worked up, but this looks beautiful on blankets, on dishcloths, and so much more. So let's take a look at how we do this. I did the main color and then I just did single crochet around to get the border started. And what we'll do to start is chain one, which I already did, and all in one stitch you're going to put a single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets. We're all in one stitch. Seems kind of cramped. Did I say 2? It's 3 double crochets. I don't remember what I said, but it's 3 double crochets, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. That's all in one stitch. Now we're going to skip 2. Here's 1, here's 2. We're going to put the same thing in this stitch after we've skipped 2. Single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and then another half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Oh, you can already see how that's shaping up. That's such a pretty stitch. Skip 2. In the one after that, do that same pattern again. Single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet. Skip 2. This is perfect because it'll bring us to a corner. So skip those 2, and right here in the corner we're going to do single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, oops, half double crochet, single crochet. Around the corner we're going to just skip 1 instead of 2 because we're going to need them to be a little bit closer together so there's more stitches around the corner. When you're not in a corner you skip 2. When you're coming around a corner you just skip 1. So let's skip that 1 and then go into the next stitch, single, half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet. And now we would be back to skipping 2, but you can see around the corner how that helps to give it a little bit more space so there's not pooling. So you just continue that until you're all the way around for your border. I'm going to finish just so you can see how it looks with a whole finished project. So I'll finish it up and I'll come back, but that's how you do the Mini Fan Scallop Border. All right, here's how it looks all finished. It's a really beautiful border. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.